Unexpected equipment failures can disrupt production schedules, delay customer deliveries, increase repair costs, and create operational stress. For Orange County manufacturers and facilities, waiting until equipment breaks is becoming an increasingly expensive strategy. Most organizations already have maintenance systems, sensors, and operational data. The challenge is scattered information, manual inspections, unclear asset history, and limited visibility into early warning signs. AI predictive maintenance uses data from equipment, sensors, and operational systems to identify patterns that may indicate future failures. Instead of reacting to breakdowns, teams can address issues before they become costly disruptions. AI systems continuously analyze operational data such as temperature, vibration, energy consumption, pressure, and maintenance history. When unusual behavior is detected, the system alerts maintenance teams before a failure occurs. Successful predictive maintenance projects begin with a focused pilot. Choose one critical asset, connect available data sources, define failure indicators, and validate alerts before expanding across the organization. Technology alone doesn't prove success. Track meaningful business outcomes such as reduced downtime, fewer emergency repairs, lower maintenance costs, improved uptime, and stronger operational reporting. One common mistake is treating predictive maintenance as a one-time technology purchase. Success requires ownership, reporting, governance, and ongoing improvement. Another mistake is focusing on activity instead of measurable business results. A successful predictive maintenance program creates fewer surprises, better planning, stronger reporting, and improved operational confidence. Teams spend less time reacting to emergencies and more time optimizing performance. At Technijian, we help Orange County manufacturers and facilities implement AI-powered solutions that improve visibility, reduce downtime, and support smarter maintenance decisions. From AI consulting and automation services to custom software development, we help businesses turn operational data into measurable results. Ready to reduce downtime and improve operational performance? Contact Technijian today to explore how AI predictive maintenance can support your 2026 business goals.